When the parrot bites you, different actions have different meanings. If it bites when you pet it, it's a gentle warning to stop. When you're not moving, it holds your fingers or claws and gnaws. It's actually helping you clean. High-ranking parrots help lower-ranking ones groom. If it bites your hair, it means it sees you as a younger sibling. Don't try to bite back. And biting the ear, it's the parrot asserting its dominance. It shows it's full of affection for you. Next time the parrot bites you, don't misunderstand. Understanding these small actions can help you interact more closely with it.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.